Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on building a Blazor PDF Viewer with PSPDFKIt. PSPDFKIt's Blazor PDF Viewer library offers developers a way to quickly embed a highly configurable PDF viewer in any Blazor-based web application. To follow along, make sure you have the .NET SDK installed on your machine. You can either get the LTS version or the latest .NET 7.0. To get started, let's install the Blazor WebAssembly template using the .NET CLI. .NET CLI is included with the .NET SDK you installed earlier. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory you want to create your project in. And run .NET new Blazor WASM with an O flag followed by the name of your project. Change into your project directory and open it in your favorite code editor. You should see these initial files and directory structure. The pages directory contains the rootable components of your app. The launch settings.json holds the development environment's configuration. The shared directory contains the shared components and style sheets. The main layout.razor file defines the app's layout component. The www root directory holds the public static assets. You'll store the PDF file and PSPDFKIt's artifacts here. Imports.razor includes common Razor directives to include in the app's components, such as using directives for namespaces. App.razor is the root component for the app. Program.cs is the entry point for the application that starts the server, and it's where you configure the app services and middleware. Finally, the CS project file defines the app project and its dependencies. PSPDFKIt's web library files are distributed as an archive that can be extracted manually. Download the framework and extract the archive. Then, copy the entire contents of its dist directory to your project's www root directory. Also, add the PDF document you want to display. Open the main layout.razor file in the shared directory and delete all its contents. The layout component inherits from layout component base and it adds a body property to the component, which contains the content to be rendered inside the layout. During rendering, the body property will be replaced with the content of the layout. Now, start working on the home route. Open the index.razor file in the pages directory and delete all its contents. Point the pages directive to the home route and add a div element to display the PDF document. To be able to invoke JavaScript functions from .NET, inject the IJS runtime abstract and call the invoke void async method, which doesn't return a value. Finally, add the PSPDFKIt SDK loading code to the index.html file before the body tag. Now, you can start the app in your project's root directory with .NET Watch Run. You should now have our Blazor PDF Viewer up and running in your web application. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.